What up guys, Philly here with a new video. Alright, so today I'm just gonna give you guys a quick update on what's been going on with us this week. And first of all, I want to tell you guys that I fucking miss Christian. I'm gonna cry because I haven't seen him the whole week. He's been working hard at his job, so he tells me he gets home and tired, so he just knocks out and has no time for me. I haven't seen him the whole week. I miss you. I miss you, Christian. If you're watching this video, you just know that I fucking love you, bro. I fucking love you, babe. I fucking love you, babe. I love you, freaking my head. Fucking miss you, babe.
Please, babe, come back, please. I fucking love you.
Anyways, I fucking bought a new car. I'm gonna show it to you guys right now. It's pretty beat up. It's a new project. Maybe. So basically, this car right here that I'm about to show you guys, I bought it at the auction. I bought it at Copart. I got a good deal on it, and as of now, I posted it for sale. So I might get rid of it, or if I can find the parts over the weekend, then I'm just gonna start fixing it, and then yeah, probably sell it after or slide it. Check it out. Are you guys ready? Are you guys ready to see this shit? You guys ain't ready. Are you guys ready? Are you guys ready to see this shit? There you go. Ready? Ready? Oh, holy shit. Holy shit. What the fuck did you get? What the fuck did I end up buying? Look at this shit. Oh my god. It's so fucked up. So yeah, I bought it and I started drifting it and I fucking hit a corner. Nah, just kidding. Probably some kid did. Check it out. Check out that corner though. Putazo for sure. Look at that. I think I bought it on Tuesday. When I got it, it didn't want to run. It didn't want to start. And I'm guessing somebody fucked up the TPS sensor. Luckily, I figured it out. The car runs, it starts. And just the body. Whole spindle and rotor is needed. And this side's good. A fender, the hood, the headlight, the bumper, and that's about it. And then on the back, let me see, on the back it's only the passenger side that's fucked up. All the arms, everything's bad except for the spindle. So everything else I need, and the axle's good still. So check out the interior. So it does have a blown airbag in the steering wheel, and the curtain right here on the side is blown as well, and it is 6-speed, so that's a plus for me. The car only has 57,000 miles, and when I bought it, I got a clean title for it, so it's still clean title technically. Check it out. And then for the back, it's a rear bumper and a tail light. Luckily, the homie Harvey makes a kit for it, so I don't really have to fully fix the quarter panel. I just gotta pop it out a little bit, and then we can use his kit. I'll show you guys a picture. Check it out. That's what's been going on around here this week. We still haven't pulled out the engine. It's still there. Hopefully tomorrow Saturday, today is Friday, hopefully tomorrow Christian shows up, and then we can pull out the engine and then start tearing it apart. Let's see, what else did I do? Also this week, we were at the warehouse, me and my pops, and we did some sketchy shit. Check it out. Holy shit.
Easy baby, easy baby.
She looks sketchy as fuck. That was sketchy as fuck. We're trying to make some room. I also met one of you guys in the freeway. I was actually towing some car for some guy I forgot what car, but I was driving at night on the freeway, me fucking falling asleep, and then all of a sudden this MR2 just fucking flies by me, and he sends me a message on Instagram, and I told that fool to pull over, and I gave him a sticker, and check out the video. Shout out to this little homie right here in the MR2. He spotted me on the freeway. I'm gonna give him a sticker real quick. If you see me in the street, I'm always gonna fucking say what's up. I'm not gonna, you know, dodge anybody. So just fucking, if you see me, you recognize me, say what's up. I'll give you a hug, I'll give you a kiss, whatever you want, a sticker. Seriously, my house is starting to look like a wrecking yard. Check it out. Hashtag puros yonques compas. Look at this shit. This car's not even on the cement. It's over here on the grass. Hi baby. Another thing I wanted to share is that me and my wife right here are expecting a new baby. Huh?
Yeah.
Yeah? Baby, you're having a little brother or sister? Yeah. Yeah? See? Yeah, I just wanted to share with you guys since you guys are my family as well.
Tejuan?
That means I gotta work extra harder now. Flip more cars, fix more cars. Maybe I'm gonna sell the race car. Maybe. Just kidding, never. I think I'll probably get rid of my family first before I sell my track cars. Huh, baby? I'm gonna get rid of you? Yeah? Okay. See? They understand. Peace out, guys.